Key performance indicators are a set of quantifiable measurements used to gauge a company's overall long-term performance. This can help you identify your business's strategic, financial, and operational achievements, particularly in comparison to other businesses in the same sector. KPIs measure your business success according to a specific set of targets, objectives, or industry peers. So it is a very useful tool to see how your business is tracking and to make sure that you're on the right track. Financial KPIs include net profit, revenues minus certain expenses, or the current ratio. They can also be more anecdotal measurements such as employee retention, repeat customers, foot traffic in a shop, or the quality of customer experience. These metrics vary between companies and industries depending on what is valued in your particular industry. KPIs are the heartbeat of your business's performance management. KPIs on SIFT display a list of profitability, liquidity, solvency, DuPont analysis, or custom KPIs. You can edit any of these KPIs by just clicking on the pencil icon. You will be able to change the name of your criteria, change the category of the KPI, or adjust the formula used in calculating the KPI. You can also select the desired format as well as add an explanation of what the KPI represents. You can click Add KPI, you can name your KPI, specific, choose the category it would be part of, and you can create the KPI using SIFT's equation features. So I could go and add a P&L account. Let's just call it total sales. And click Add. And maybe I want the sales as a percentage of the inventory. Then I can add inventory into the equation using the balance sheet account button. I will then select inventory and click Add. I can then select the format I want to assign to the KPI, as well as give an explanation to provide clarification. The final step is to select if an increase is favorable or unfavorable. Then you will see now under Custom the specific KPI that I've created is there. At the bottom we can also see the explanations. The pre-built KPIs will have automated explanations, and the additional KPIs will show custom explanations when the KPI was added. KPIs are linked to the information in your profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow, but can also be linked to non-financial informations. This can be done by using the Connections Data option when adding a new KPI. So we can add something like water usage, and then the Connections Data option where we can add the non-financial information. This will only be possible if connections have been made using the Connections tool. You can add as many KPIs as you want or delete them if it is no longer relevant to your business. You can also choose to not show explanations if the tab is getting too big. The final part of KPIs is that we can compare against the prior period or the prior last year. You can also look at the KPIs for monthly, quarterly, weekly, or daily depending on the requirements of your report. KPIs are good to keep track of the performance of the business and whether the business is on the right track.